So hello and namaste everyone, welcome to the channel and I'm back with a new content on my Huawei Nova 3i. Yes, there is a new update for Huawei Nova 3i and this is the 15th October and my Huawei Nova 3i hit notifications from the software update options on my Huawei Nova 3i. So in this video I'm going to explain you what is the new features added by Huawei to Huawei Nova 3i. Either there is new features available or not, or only this is the security update for this October month. In this video I'm going to explain all this content and hope you guys like this video, and if you have any queries don't forget to comment below and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And so let's begin the video. As you can see, once I tap on system settings, there is options for systems and there is one new notification from Huawei company to Huawei Nova 3i, and once you tap over there is a software update options. And yes, in this October month there is a new update for Huawei Nova 3i, and in this this is a pretty gap between previous update and this, because the software update getting ratio is going to slow as compared to the previous software update getting options on Huawei Nova 3i, because of this phone is already 1 year old. So there is less software update available for Huawei Nova 3i, and in this October there is a new software update option for Huawei Nova 3i. And once you tab over the software update options, as you can see, there is a checking for software update, and my Huawei Nova 3i recently running from EMUI 9.1.0, and there is a new software update. I'm going to show you there is a new software or new versions. And once you tab over there is a name or there is a model for this software update is, as you can see, there is a 9.1.0.248, and in the change lag you can see there is a this update improves system security with the Android security patches. So there is nothing new feature added by Huawei to Huawei Nova 3i, and there is only a options for security update for this month, and now there is no options for any new features for Huawei Nova 3i. This is the one of the saddest news for those who are using Huawei Nova 3i. And please guys don't forget to comment below, are you happy with this software update or not. And in this video I'm going to now install this update on my Huawei Nova 3i. So let's begin the installation process on Huawei Nova 3i. And overall size of this update is 122 MB, and this size may be varies according to the regions or different countries. So please don't forget to comment below what is overall length for your this 9.1.0.248 update on your Huawei Nova 3i. So let's begin the installation process. As you can see guys, the installation process has been finished on Huawei Nova 3i, and now my Huawei Nova 3i is running with new security update for September month. And in this update there is nothing new to change. New changes are available on Huawei Nova 3i. This update is only brings the security update or security patches for September month. So sorry guys, say to that because there is no new features on this update, but hope we will get more update in upcoming days from Huawei to all the Huawei Nova 3i users in the different country or different regions. So hope for the best. And this is much for today, guys, and thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and thank you so much for your love and support. You guys are really awesome, because your support is one of the things which encourage us to making this kind of videos. So if you have any queries, don't forget to comment below, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And thank you so much, guys, for your love and support, and see you guys on the next video. So thank you so much, and namaste.